2.5 section on regions in the Argand diagram. So let's start with example 16. We've been asked to, on separate diagrams, shade in the regions represented by the following inequalities. So the first one is z minus 4 minus 2i modulus of is less than or equal to 2. So this is a circle centered 4, 2, radius 2. So we're going to draw that circle first. That would have been correct if it was equal to, but it's equal or less than. Less than, it means inside the circle, but including the outside as well, because it's the radius. It's all the circles with a radius that are equal to 2 or less than 2 would be inside this bigger circle, including the circumference, because it's equal to. Okay, the second one here, you've got a straight line between two complex numbers, number 4, which is on the real axis, and number 6, so they're both on the real axis. So if I say 4 is here and 6 is here, it doesn't have to be to scale. So you want the line to be equidistant from those 2 points, so we are talking about perpendicular bisector. However, this is very important. What this means, the 4 is less than 6, so you are closer to the point 4, 0 than you are to the point 6, 0. So you want to shade in the bits to the left. Now the reason I've done the line in a broken pattern, because you don't want the points to be belonging to the region, because there's no equal in the symbol. Okay, over here we want to start from the point with the coordinates 2, 2, so somewhere here, and you want to take account of all the points with an argument between 0 and pi over 4 if you start from that point, including 0 and including pi over 4. So if this point is 2, 2, and this is 0, and that's pi over 4, it's clearly drawn over here. Okay, so that would be x equals 5 if you write it as the Cartesian equation. And the last part is you're talking about now finding the intersection, because it says and here. So I want to look at all those regions and I want to find the common ground. So let me draw this again, starting with a circle. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 across, 2 up. That is going to be this. I'm not going to shade in just yet. Oh, I could actually shade in using the green pen. Then I'm going to do the last one, which is the point. So it's from 2 across. Let me just do this again. It actually will go that circle through that 2 across, 2 up. Okay, so this one here is going to be like this. So it's all of that. And the last one is our line x equals 5. So this is 4 and this is 5, and I want to be shading into the left of that line. Let me just put the indicate the scale. So this is 0.22, that's 2, that's 2i, this is 5, there you go. So where is the common ground? Well, it's clearly inside the circle. Let's do this one in black. You're not going to have those points on this line. You are going to have this part of the circumference. You will also have that side over here and that side over here, but not this point. Okay, so you've got all of these parts inside. There you go. So this is the region. They haven't, sometimes they say label it with R, but not here. So this is example 16, and then you've got exercise 2F and the mixed exercise at the end of the chapter.